Good morning, it's Mike from Hello Renewables. Welcome to the beautiful Hertfordshire countryside in Tonwel. This week's a bit of a different installation. It's on a Grade 2 listed water tower. We'll be installing a Daikin 3 HHT. It's not the normal installation because the actual outdoor unit is going to go on the inside, and then the plant room will house the indoor unit and the cylinder. Right, enough of this dramatic stuff. Let's crack on with the install. So this is the area that I've been assigned to install all the indoor bits and pieces. We've got the 300 litre cylinder. I decided I think it would be a bit better to try and put that in the corner so then the pipe work can wrap round from there. We've got the indoor unit going up here with the pipe work straight through the floor to the outdoor unit below. And then we're going to mount the low loss header in the middle with all the hot heat and pipe work coming down this column here. Right, so now we've got the unit into place. We've positioned it so the centre of the fan was going out of the actual opening there. These are going to be louvered, so you won't be able to see the unit from down below, which is a shame because they're a beautiful looking unit.